So what are you making?
Chicken.
Really?
Chicken!
Chicken! What kind of chicken?
Fried. Grandma's fried chicken.
Grandma's fried chicken, that's right. Yummy, can you smell it? If I could have a smell-o-meter, it'd be like, woo, 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 woo. Nummy, nummy. Yes, and the little mix over here. Can't zoom in on it, but if I could. That includes 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal, salt and pepper. Then you lather that chicken up. Then we have the potatoes coming. They're over there, boiling. Then we made a good green salad with chopped teeny vegetables.
Okay, I'm going to get you that water. I want to save water for the gravy. Are you making a movie?
Yes. Beautiful. Wow, look at the top veggies. This salad includes mixed greens, radishes, cucumbers, celery, and other yummy stuff. Okay, bye.